the concept of electron flow in conductors and insulators. Molecular concept of conductor and insulator. Nucleus, electrons, shells, valence band, conduction band, and overlap between the valence and conduction band are illustrated. For conductors, the valence band and conduction band overlap, allowing electrons to move freely. For insulators, due to a large energy gap between the valence band and the conduction band, movement of electrons restricted. Electric current based on the concept of movement of electrons. When an excited electron with higher energy enters into a material, this electron collides with the nearby outer shell electrons in the conduction band. During this collision, part of the energy is lost as heat. One electron returns to its original molecular position, while another electron is displaced from its position. This electron then collides with the next nearby electron in the conduction band. This chain reaction continues throughout the conductor, thereby establishing electric current. Although electric current appears to travel through the entire length of the conductor, actual movement of an individual electron is very small, typically only between neighboring atoms. The drift velocity of individual electrons is relatively slow. Since atoms and electrons are densely packed inside a conductor, this continuous transfer of electrons through successive collisions creates the effect of electrons flowing rapidly from one end of the conductor to the other. As a result, the electrical effect propagates extremely fast, close to the speed of electromagnetic wave propagation. In each collision, a small amount of energy is lost as heat. The total energy loss during this process is known as resistive loss. This is electrical resistance. Different materials have different resistance values because of differences in their atomic structure, electron mobility, and internal electron interactions. The voltage drop across a conductor segment is a measure of the resistive loss occurring in that portion of the material.